Hey everyone, today I am going to be planting potatoes. We have never grown potatoes before, and so this is going to be an experiment. Hey everyone, so we have a lot going on today. We are going to plant potatoes. We've never grown potatoes before. I have a bag of potatoes that seeded before we could eat them, and so we're going to try and plant those. Last weekend we bought some food grade buckets at Tractor Supply, and Josh cut out the bottom so that when we're done growing the potatoes, all we have to do is lift the bucket. We're going to see how it goes. First, I'm going to lay cardboard down and then put the bucket on top of the cardboard. Alright, so in the buckets, I'm going to first put about 4 to 6 inches of a mixture of manure and topsoil. Alright, so I filled the bucket up to about here, and then I'm going to go ahead and put 2 potatoes per bucket, and then I'll put 2 more inches of manure. Since this is more of an experiment, we have more potatoes than buckets. I went ahead and I put 4 potatoes in each bucket just to see what happens. Hi everyone, first of all, I just want to apologize. It wasn't until I was editing this video that I noticed that when I was covering up the potatoes with the topsoil and manure that the camera stopped recording. I've been sitting on this for a couple of days just trying to figure out what to do about it. I wasn't sure if I was going to throw away the whole video or if I was going to do something about it. So here I am, a week and a half after planting the potatoes, and I just want to give a basic summary of what I did next. So as you saw me adding topsoil, I just went back and forth with the topsoil and manure until there was about 2 inches of soil above the potatoes, and then I watered them well until I was seeing water come out from underneath the buckets. Again, it's only been a week and a half. I'm probably one of the most impatient gardeners. If you ever want to learn patience, gardening is for you. So there's not really much to show, not much change. It's still what looks like dirt. And I just want to remind everyone that this is not a how-to video. This is not a, if you do this, you will succeed. Again, we have never grown potatoes before, and so I'm just sharing an experiment that we are trying, and hopefully it gives someone else courage to try something new, because you can never learn if you don't try. And so I firmly believe that with everything you try, it is never a failure if you learn from it. So this is us trying something new, and we will learn something from it. If it's a success or not a success, it's always a learning